猫的比赛状态非常好。
Depth of flank. There they go. Look at that.
Look at the hiney on that bummer. Look at that hiney.
Here's this girl, 5 years old. Amazing, amazing.
Beautiful, beautiful head. Are we gonna kiss?
Oh, you want to play again? Fabulous white British short hair.
Very active breed. Oh, Buddy had a Syrian nail. Look at that body. It just rocks.
Chocolate point coloration and the blue eyes. He just gives this overall.
British short hair. The domestic short hair cat of the British Isles.
I want a ballerina style body, long and tubular, a lot of muscle with that tight close